Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how you can create your book just in one click. Use Cloud and sell it on Gumroad and marketing your book, use social media. This is my book I created use Cloud AI. Cloud AI can generate a professional PDF book just in one click. Just tell him about your niche and give him the source and it starts to generate the content. And this is my ebook. I have one review. I publish it on Gumroad. This is my dashboard on Gumroad. Let's refresh the page. And I made last month over $700 income of selling. This is I drive over 6,000 visitor the last month and made me the income. This is my book generated with Cloud, and I use Threads. It's one of best platform to promoting your book. Look at the views. It's actually Threads, one of best social media platform to start promoting your book. You should to start today. And I use Pinterest. I post 10 posts every day with SEO keyword and link the post with my Gumroad store. This is my analytics on Gumroad. It's actually go viral with trades. This is my trades, and this is my Gumroad sales. But actually, I don't post manually. I use one of the best AI software content automation. It's called AI Sales Rocket. This is AI Sales Rocket. I just connect my social media account like Pinterest and Threads. You can connect on Instagram or Facebook or your website. And the next step it's upload your book. Upload your book as a PDF or docs or any format. And AI Sales Rocket can post content to 7 platform. It's easy to use and it's not complicated. Just upload your book on AI Sales Rocket, connect your social media account, and AI Sales Rocket will start generate content post. This software can generate a different format. You can create a carousel for Instagram, blogs for your website, Pinterest post, and Threads text post. It's actually one of the best AI software I tried. If you want to try AI Sales Rocket, you find the link in the description. Upload your book, connect your social media account, and start drive traffic to your book. The link in the description, and see you the next one.